Hey guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and carrieibitson.com. And for those of you who don't know who I am an oral health coach by passion and a dental hygienist by trade, and I make videos on how to help you get better results in your mouth. So if you're seeing this for the first time, make sure you subscribe, you like, do what you need to do so that we can keep in touch. I'd love to help you get to a place that you are healthy and you're happy about your mouth. Last week I did a video on 5 things that you can do to help control kids' cavities in their mouth while they're at school. So if you haven't seen that one yet, it's got some really good products in it. Make sure that you look at it. Today I wanted to follow it up with 5 more products that you can use because people asked me if there were products that didn't contain xylitol that they could use. I'm a pretty big proponent of xylitol, but not everyone is. Not everyone wants to use xylitol products and they don't really work for everyone. So we need to have alternatives, right? pH control is really important, and one thing that we're finding that really helps control pH are Arginine products. They're typically marketed as sensitivity products, but they are showing to be really good pH controllers as well. So, product number 1. Basic Bites. Basic Bites are a chocolate chew little square that when you chew them up, the way they dissolve in the mouth, they get kind of gooey and sticky, and they get into all of the nooks and crannies and deliver Arginine onto your teeth and gums and everywhere else. Really good for people with cavities, really good for people with dry mouth. And although you would think it's kind of a naughty thing to do because it's a gooey candy, it delivers great results. Have a look at the ingredients and see if it's something that you're willing to use or into trying, but it has been a godsend for so many of my clients. Number 2, if you're looking for a toothpaste that contains Arginine, Tom's of Maine Rapid Relief Sensitivity is the one that you want to look at. It's actually the only over-the-counter toothpaste that you can get in the United States that has Arginine in it. Now the downside to it is that it has a really strong minty flavor, and again you want to look at the ingredients. The good thing is it's a fluoride-free toothpaste, so if you're looking for fluoride-free options, it might be really good for you, but again that flavoring, you want to make sure that the mint is something that you can handle, so especially with kids. That's what I get the feedback on, that people just really have a hard time with it, is with children or with people that have extremely dry mouths and are really suffering. But there is another product, and that's Colgate Anytime Anywhere Serum. And this is a really cool product. It's just in a little tube that you can carry with you and you can apply topically to your teeth. Not only will it help with sensitivity, but it's also really going to help with that pH control. Again, make sure that you're having a look at the ingredients, because with some people there's certain ingredients in there that they just don't want, but it has been such a help and such a blessing. And in the dental community, Arginine is something that we have used for a long time on our patients to control that sensitivity, so we know it really works well. The next thing I want to talk about is erythritol. Erythritol is similar to xylitol, but it doesn't have any of the intestinal upset that sometimes people get with xylitol. And with xylitol you can usually work through it, it's not really that big of a deal, but for people who don't want to use xylitol, really look into erythritol. The downside is it's pretty much only available in crystals, so you have to put it in your mouth, you gotta let it dissolve. You can use it in baking, you can use it in making your own toothpaste and things like that. You can use it as a sugar substitute, you can use it for lots of things, but it doesn't come in candies and gums very much like xylitol does, but it is a really good pH regulator if you're struggling with using xylitol. Then the last one that I want to talk about is this really cool product that's called Alka White. And it's a tablet that you actually put in water. So you would drop this tablet in water and it turns into an effervescent mouth rinse. It does contain a little bit of xylitol, but it's mostly sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda, but it's an effervescent baking soda, and it works really well. There's a lot of other ingredients in it too, but they're really cool and I have loved the results. But I have a little hack that I'm doing with this one. I take the little tablet and I break it into quarters and I just put a little quarter in my mouth. I chew it up and then I take some water and I put water in my mouth and then I rinse and then I spit. Super easy, super portable. This is also meant to replace toothpaste. So sometimes I'll put this in my mouth, I'll chew it up, and then I'll actually brush my teeth with it as well. You may have seen that I'm doing a docu-series called Coming Clean, My Journey Back to a Healthy Mouth. And you can see my teeth have gotten really, really white. This is the only product that I've used as I've started to move back into brushing my teeth. So I feel really confident that it's helping me not only get clean teeth and pH control, but also with the whitening as well. It's really been helpful with that. So those are the 5 things that you can use. I hope those are helpful for you and that those are an addition. Please keep in mind that cavity control and pH control happens throughout the day. There's really not one magic product that you can use. It's lots of different pieces to the puzzle, and that's why I'm here to help you. So if you've got questions, I've got answers. Make sure that you leave them in the comment section below. Let me know that if I can help you, what I can help you with, and if you're looking for a program, jump over to oralhealthcoaching.com because that's my online program that helps you through all of these things and teaches you how to use these things so that the pieces to the puzzle fit together for you. Thanks for being here, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.